After 8 years hiatus, Nasik and the Rally of Maharashtra, organized by Western India Sports Association, is back on the Indian National Championship calendar for round 2 of the 2024 season. The competitors were greeted with the love and hospitality of the club that we've come to experience over the years. And it is as close of a home rally for our team, Slideways Industries. Compared to most of the season, which takes place on gravel, this round brought in some different set of challenges and excitement on tarmac.
One little error.
Oh boy, was it exhausting just giving those calls.
We just need to find a way to make that day one work.
The grid was made of 53 entries, mostly filled with the usual barrage of VW Polos, a solitary Mahindra XUV 300, a few Gypsies, and some Honda Cities. This time around, we saw a little more diversity, including a couple of Turbo Balenos, as many as 3 Fiat Abarth Puntos, and even a Subaru Forester. But the highlight of this rally had to be the highly anticipated Rally 4 Ford Fiesta, piloted by Gaurav Gill, powered by JK Tyre. After having to miss out on the previous round in Chennai, the pair of Gaurav Gill and Anirudh Rangnekar were ready to step it up. The pair of Darius Shroff and his co-driver Arjun Dhirendra were back in their VW Polo, looking to set their sights on some good points for the INRC3 Championship. Our teammate Shivani Parmar, on the other hand, as a last-minute substitute, took on the role as a co-driver for the second time. She helped a fellow competitor and friend of our team, Nikita Takle, making them the only all-women's team from Maharashtra to compete at the Rally of Maharashtra. The rally flagged off with the super special stage on the premises of Grape County Eco Resort. A quick burst Triple S, filled with action from the cars and cheers from the massive number of spectators, made the evening even more exhilarating. The crowd favourites, Gaurav and Anirudh, stole the show in their new JK Tyre-powered Rally 4 car, absolutely smashing the competition and winning the stage by over 6 seconds to their closest rival. And this was just in a 2-kilometer stage. Was this a sign of things to come over the weekend? The rally had a total 3 physical stages that ran twice each on Saturday and 1 more loop on Sunday. Unfortunately, on the first of these stages, Lady Luck deserted Gaurav and Anirudh again, as their Fiesta slid off the road on a very tricky corner, which would see as many as 6 cars crash out over the course of the weekend. SS2 had to be red flagged as multiple other cars went off on the same corner and things started to get dangerous.
Yeah, so the Rally of Maharashtra wasn't the best for Gaurav and myself. Home rally for me, and coming here after like 8 years, it was exciting. We set a blistering pace in the Super Special, winning it by over 6 seconds. We were driving something really exciting. There's something that's never been seen in India, a Ford Fiesta Rally 4. It's a world rally car. It's a phenomenal car. The handling is really good, and it's on par with the top 1 rally cars. But we damaged a critical part that didn't allow us to start on day 2 either. But we're already looking forward to Rally of Coimbatore. We've already started preparations for that, and we're going to be coming back fighting really hard for the overall win.
There was still much to smile about for our team as the crew headed into their first service on Saturday. It was the duo of Vikram Rawar Road and AG Somaya from Chettinad Sporting who were leading the rally overall after SS4, setting a blistering pace on some tricky terrain which had caught out the best in the business. Elsewhere, Darius and Arjun faced some mechanical issues which put them down the order. And all through the grid, there were plenty of thrills and spills.
I'm Darius Shroff, driving an INRC3 for Slideways and Chettinad Sporting. It's been a mixed bag of a day. Unfortunately, the first stage got cancelled due to some crashed vehicles. Unfortunate for them. Second stage was technical, as I said, and quite slow. Third stage, much faster, shorter, and far better surface. So we got to push a little harder in the third stage. It goes from a little bit of clean tarmac, so dirty tarmac, for gravel, back so these tarmac rally tires aren't exactly for this kind of terrain, to be very honest. Otherwise, it's going to be a great day tomorrow too.
After completing another loop of the 3 stages and the end of day 1, the picture was very different for the rally. Vikram and Somaya dropped out with mechanical failure on SS6. But this gave their Chettinad Sporting teammates, Fabid Amer and Milan George, the opportunity to take the lead, having been hot on the heels of the previous leader. The duo ended the day with a sizable lead of over a minute to P2, which was the winner from the previous round, Harkishan Wadia. Despite car trouble, Darius and Arjun stayed in the hunt, ending the day in P10 overall and 6th in INRC3. Nikita and Shivani comfortably led the ladies category. Despite being a relatively short day of rally, the final day would see even more twists and turns in a rally that had seen the lead change hands multiple times. The overnight leaders picked up a puncher on SS9, which pushed them down the order a few places. Harji hit a rock on the same stage and ended his chances of a 4th successive rally win. And there were many more battles that emerged up and down the field. Eventually, it was Karna Kadur and Musa Sharif who emerged victorious despite not winning even a single of the 11 stages of the rally, instead driving at a consistent pace, which proved to be enough. Driving a newly built XUV 300, Amitranjit Ghosh and Ashwin Naik backed P2, fighting back strongly despite multiple mechanical issues. While Snap Racing's youngster Arnab Pratap Singh and Rohit took P3 in the overall standing and won the INRC3 and JNRC category as well. Darius and Arjun made a strong comeback, finishing P3 in the INRC3 class behind Jeet Jabak. Consistent podiums in the first 2 rounds of the championship sees Darius lead the INRC3 category while also running closely second in the overall championship.
A good result, making the best of a difficult rally. I got to know that I'm on the podium at the start of the last stage. I think Arnab only told me that you're on the podium. I was like, okay, great. Wasn't expecting it, to be very honest, after yesterday's mechanical issues and Arjun and I having a little bit of difficulty, syncing with the calls. But everything seemed to work out today. It seems to be the way my last season has gone, and it seems to be the way this season's going too. Day 1, always difficult with some mechanical issues, and day 2, always 100% on point. We just need to find a way to make that day 1 work. Hopefully we can pull this off in Coimbatore and take the top step. Yeah.
Despite not taking the overall win, Fabid and Milan still managed to comfortably win the INRC2 category ahead of Chettinad Sporting teammates Pragati Gowda and Sujit Kumar. Nikita and Shivani kept it steady on the last day and cruised to victory in the ladies category ahead of previous round winner Phoebe Dale and Rahul Sancheti.
Been quite the weekend, I must say. This is my second time being a co-driver, but very, very different from what I experienced as my first time, because I was with Anirudh and it was so much more different, because Chennai is also, a rally that we all know. And the rally of Maharashtra has been challenging, has been tough and quite adventurous, I must say. Oh boy, was it exhausting just giving those calls. But, well, it's something to drive in and it's something else to be a co-driver. And to sit on that side of the seat, it's got its own quirks, I mean, I know I made a lot of mistakes, but I know I also kept up with a few bits. And I was quite happy with Nikita's driving, and it was good. It was good to be sitting beside a competitor and also friend that way.
After a topsy-turvy round 2 of the championship, we now head to Coimbatore for round 3 of the INRC, scheduled to be held at the end of July. With news coming in of some challenging new stages being prepared, this should be one which provides some great action and possibly even more drama. There's much to look forward to, and we can't wait to hit the dirt again.